Take a step into Kalmar Ottawa as we build the 70,000 truck.
You could say we're just building trucks, but these are specialty trucks.
Who would have thought that a group of individuals from Ottawa, Kansas would build the truck that would have such a marked impact that it does?
They're built for heavy duty, hard work and stuff. So, in order to build these kind of trucks and to sell these kind of trucks, you have to take a lot of pride.
I think we're building a future for the generations to come.
Think about it. Every day we're ordering something online or we're going to a retailer and we're purchasing something. All of our trucks at some point or another have touched that product. So it impacts everybody's lives in one way or another.
It's like a family-like environment. The people here are great to work with. They're real friendly, and I don't know, it just makes me feel good to come in, and see everybody's smiling faces.
Being here with a group of great individuals who strive to do the best job that they can do every day, to build the quality that we build here, I mean, that's the inspiration to come in and achieve where we're at today. Thank you for having the trust and the confidence as to build the truck that we build here in Ottawa.
I'd like to thank the dealers and thank the customers for making us #1 in TT Terminal Tractors.
Thank you for the dedication and trust that you put in us here at Kalmar to succeed. And we're doing our 70,000 truck, and I'm going to jump a little bit forward, and I'm ready for the 100,000 truck.
It's not just a milestone, it's traditions, it's family, and it's our legacy.